Hi, my name is Deepak. I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. So I have completed my BE in computer science and I passed out in 2018 batch. And I was unable to grab a job into IT, pure IT job. So one of my friends suggested me to join Vision Technologies. So they have different courses to upgrade yourself and get a start or a career into IT. So I have enrolled for networking course for it was for 60 days, and I started for 60 days and night shift. So I used to take classes from 7:30 to 11:30 timing by night. So it was great experience with them. I have learned many things which comes to networking, Windows admin, virtualization, how to IP address, how to Outlook, printer issues. So many things were taught in this tenure of time. So in this tenure, teachers were mainly teachers were very supportive, and the response time from the teachers during the class or after the class on their website was very much great and responsive. And the recruiter team, or they also respond whenever you face any queries during the placement or before the placement or after the placement. They have a very supportive team to go with. So my experience was great, and after this course I got an opportunity to join OTS solutions in Gurgaon on 3.5 LP of package, and it was a great experience. I'm looking forward to enroll more lovely programs with Vision Technologies. Thanks a lot.